In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a photo gallery to your GoDaddy website builder site. Whether you want to showcase personal memories or professional work, adding a photo gallery can beautifully enhance your site's visual appeal. Let's dive into the steps to accomplish this efficiently. First, open your preferred web browser and search for GoDaddy's website. Once there, you're going to need to log in. You can do this using your email, or if you prefer a quicker route, you have the option to use your Facebook or Google credentials as well. This flexibility makes accessing your account seamless, no matter where you are. After you've logged in, look for the Websites Plus Marketing section on your dashboard. You'll find the Manage option next to the name of your website. Click on Manage to proceed. This will lead you to a page where you'll see an option marked Edit Website. Click on that. This will open the website builder where all the creative work gets done. Now that your website builder is open, navigate to the page where you want to add your photo gallery. Move your cursor over the space between the existing sections on your page, and you should notice a button appear labeled Plus Add Section. Click this button to proceed to the next step. Once you click that button, a panel will appear with various options. Here, you can quickly search for Photo Gallery. After entering that in the search bar, select the option that appears under Image Gallery. This action will enable you to explore different layouts you can choose from for your photo gallery. Pick a photo gallery layout that catches your eye from the options provided. Remember, this layout can significantly influence the overall look and feel of your gallery, so choose one that aligns with your style or brand. With the layout selected, it's time to personalize your gallery by swapping out the placeholder images. Click on the gallery you've placed on your web page. On the right-hand panel, you'll see options to add your images. You can easily drag and drop images from your computer or select them from the GoDaddy Media Library. Next, make your gallery uniquely yours by customizing it further. In the right-hand panel, you can modify the layout if you change your mind. Add a catchy title that will appear above the gallery, and tweak display settings such as showing thumbnails, arrows, or setting it to autoplay, elements that can enhance navigation and engagement. Adding and organizing your images is equally straightforward. Click the plus sign to include more photos, or drag the existing ones around to rearrange them according to your preference. Once you have everything set up, use the preview button to see how your gallery looks in action. If you're satisfied with the results, hit Publish to make these changes live on your site. Your enhanced web page with a brand new photo gallery is now ready for the world to see.